All right, YouTube, part two. We done did the roll card. I'm not gonna go through the lockers. I'm gonna say that for another time. But this is my 26-inch chest. Reason why I need another box, because I got all those blow mold cases. We're gonna go over those later. All right, let's get into it. This drawer just got some flashlights, some batteries and things like that. I keep my other impact sockets still in the case because I don't have nowhere to put them. They sit up top. Those are Craftsman. First drawer, screwdrivers, picks. Y'all seen all that stuff before. Bouncing around here. Battery tools, some butane, thermometer, adhesives. Gotta have those. A little electrical drawer. Yep, one of my scanners in here. Nothing crazy. Some test lights and meters, things like that. Next drawer. Got the Icon picks. I like those. And Torx. In the back here, lug nut removers, some spline wrenches. I don't have nowhere else to put them. Some Harbor Freight pin, that 5-piece set. Pin punches. Some leads. Stud remover. Bolt breaker. Next drawer. Specialty screwdrivers. Some disconnects. Fuel line disconnects. Power steering pullers. Fuel pump relay bypass switches. Chisels for the air hammer. And I had to keep this for that oil drain connector plug. I decided to try it out. I need to do a review on that too. So far, so good. All right, keep it moving. Next drawer. Y'all know I got the Icon wrenches. Y'all seen these made by tons of different dealers. These are my bigger metric wrenches. My ratcheting wrenches, flex head, Icon also. Going down. This drawer became a catch-all. I got my 1/2-inch drive ratchets in here, extensions and longer extensions, breaker bars, miscellaneous wrenches and stuff in here. I need to clean this out. Next drawer. Rear brake tool kit, gotta have it. Some more. These are Huskies. Had these one Duralast in here. Had these for a while before I got the Icons. They work. Stud remover. Gotta have it. Flywheel turner. Gotta have it. Line cutter. Yeah. Next drawer. More wrenches. SAEs. Same deal. Icon. Ratcheting wrenches and flex head wrenches. These are Tekton. These are 6-point ratcheting wrenches. They work pretty good. And some crow's feet. Again, got some Craftsman line wrenches, oil filter set, impact, and some wobbly sockets from Icon, priming tool for engines, more SAE. These are anti-slip, but they didn't make it in the large sizes. They didn't make the anti-slip in the large. It's regular focus, regular head on it. And got some Allens and some E-torque impacts down in there. Next drawer, plier drawer. All right, let's see here. Nothing crazy. Got some more Harbor Freight adjustable wrenches. You know, those push pin pliers, and lineman pliers, DeWalt pliers, fuel disconnect pliers, trim tools. Yeah, that's that drawer. Oh yeah, Milwaukee. This is where I keep all my electric impacts. I got one Bauer there in the back and quarter drive. It's okay. It's not terrible. But mostly Milwaukee in this drawer. Some of them are out right now. But this is where I keep them, in this drawer. And last drawer. This is where I keep hammers, some brake tools, and all my air tools, riv nut gun, some airline stuff, and tube benders, and all that type of thing. But yeah, once we get into the specialty stuff, you'll see why I said I need a bigger box. But for what it is, I outgrew it. This 26-inch, it served its purpose. I got two lockers that are filled to the axle, and then I got whole two shelves and nothing but specialty tools. So once I go through all that stuff, and then I'll say that for part 3. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll get into it. All right, have a good one.